Good morning, our sweet little home.
I'm Tom, and without this coffee, don't expect anything from me.
I'm Sara, and yes, I started my day 2 hours before all of you.
And I'm Miko. I'm 6 years old, and I have a lot of ideas. A lot.
This is Miko's family. 3 people. 1 life. Full of learning, creativity, and just the right amount of beautiful fun.
I'm a marketing director. My job? I take ideas and turn them into plans that actually get results. Every product needs a story, and every story needs someone who believes in it first.
Dad, what does marketing actually mean?
It means you make people fall in love with something they didn't even know they needed yet.
Tom starts every day with clear goals. He leads teams, makes decisions, and solves problems.
The most successful project of my life, this small, wonderful family. After work, I read. I travel. I explore. That is how I get my best ideas.
I was a language teacher. Every class was a game. Learning should always be fun. Every student is special. I just help them see it. Then I started working online. From home. On my own time. AI is a great tool. But a tool needs a person. Together, that is when the magic happens. I love to swim, to cook, and to travel. Every new place teaches me something new. What do you want to learn? Write it in the comments. I will help you.
I'm Miko. I love drawing. I love big questions. And I love chocolate. Mostly the chocolate. Swimming and going to new places. New places have the best snacks.
He is 6 years old. He goes to school, he plays, he draws.
And he notices absolutely everything around him.
Wow! Look at that giant mountain!
Okay, let's do it.
Dad, it's so big.
Yes, and we are still going up.
Join us. There is so much more to come.
Every adventure, a new lesson.
Yeah!